My viel raak nog elke aanstuif.
Apparently he knows what he's doing, but if he did, we wouldn't be standing here. Now the engine has fallen out. So things have changed a little.
I love this. This is what it's about.
Welcome to the start of another video. Again, another different trip for me, something I've never done, which I'm quite keen to get involved in. As you can see, all these old skadonks around me, all pre-86, valued under 30,000 Rand, nuts and bolts rally. I'm here with Terrain Tamer, and we are riding as the sweep vehicle for this event. We will be hopefully not towing all of these. This is going to be fun. Check this out.
Oh, way!
One of these since I was a child.
Oh, okay. How old are you?
42.
Okay, this is your brother. That's child. That's your brother.
How's it going?
How's it?
Well,
good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, great meeting you too.
We haven't even pulled off yet.
Oh, just blown a head gasket.
Just a head gasket.
Yeah, and the radiator's leaking. But it's not that bad.
It's sweating, it's not leaking.
Yeah, it's sweating. What did you get?
Die reise wat hulle dit ingooi is elke liter vloeistof wat in die voertuig is of petrol diesel gooi jy 'n milliliter van die produk.
We go.
Alright, so all the cars have just pulled off. We're obviously the sweep vehicle, and we have our first recovery. The car is broken down a K away, and so the day begins.
We're being towed
At 85 kilometers an hour.
saving about 30 Rand of fuel.
Mercedes still on the motorplan. Right. Well, switch hom net aan.
What's wrong? Is it hot in there?
Everything is fine in here.
Turn the aircon on. Turn the aircon on.
Our navigator has us lost.
Literally climbed in.
That's it. And put her there. Finally caught up to the Convoy, so we're definitely on the right road. And we came up to the Convoy with open bonnets. What's wrong here?
Dirt in the tank and keeps on coming through, and it's changed from mechanical pump to electrical pump.
Lucky there's so many mechanics on this trip, right? So apparently he knows what he's doing, but if he did, we wouldn't be standing here. It's working, are you relieved?
Ek hoop so, ek hoop hy hou aan werk.
How far do you think you're going to get before it breaks again?
Tot die 10 liter petrol plaas. Not far.
The engine mounts have broken and we are towing it. We towed it up the hill, but now they're A-framing it. Oh, working on the A-frame, and then Nikki's gonna tow it. Finally going again. This engine on this synchro is going to fall out. It's strapped with a very small strap. I wouldn't be surprised if it falls out very soon. Let's see. I think it's gonna fall out. I could be wrong. And now the engine has fallen out. Nikki's got a spade. I'm not really sure what the spade's for.
You'll see now.
Well, this is going to be an interesting day.
Yeah.
Going to the Bavillons.
Oh, is it? Is that where we're going?
Yep, going to the Bavillons.
Oh, lovely.
So, do you think your car's going to make it? Are they going to be... It's not ideal, but he's still in the rally. But these guys, it's going to be an interesting day. Just found out we're going through Bavillons Kloof. Bye. Today we navigate properly. we try our best to get the distances right today.
So 78 kilometer Rus and Vrede trail at grade 2 4x4. Should be interesting with guys who haven't got dash plates or are fully packed.
Or aren't 4x4s at all. Just a random spot on the road, and there's about 25 cars here. The guys are just chilling, having a little social get together. No rush in this rally, let me tell you. Whoever's vying for first place, it's certainly not any of these guys. These guys are the middle to the back stragglers. And yeah, now they're just literally sitting, chatting, having a good time. That's what I suppose the rally's about. Radio's hiding in the backyard. you marry me? So the thing here is we're going up that 4x4 route. All these guys are worried about overheating. So what the Reynolds has done is he's bought a pump. So literally a little bottle that is in full chlorine is going to pump water through that spray bottle over the radiator to cool it down.
Looks like something else. Mail. But it's gonna run empty.
Can I bid one more?
Fill it up now.
That's how you cool a radiator, nuts and bolts style.
The accelerator cables off, just fitting it back on, and then we'll be a go.
I've just fetched the jack
Right.
for a reason. I don't know the reason yet.
I got towed up the hill because I ran out of traction and momentum. And then so I was bouncing behind him on the rocks, which ripped off one of my tank straps.
Oh.
So I got one strap holding the tank. I'm just fortunate it's a plastic tank that didn't get ruptured.
This has been a very interesting day. I'm driving up a hill. I'm literally low range, second. Obviously I'm allowed to be 4x4 on this, but I have no idea how these guys are going to get their vehicles up here. I mean, you can see me bumping around. I am bouncing, and these guys have to get two-wheel drive vehicles up this hill. It's going to be another late night, I think. 6 k's an hour up this hill, and these guys need momentum because they don't have four-wheel drive like I do. So this has been a 3-hour venture. It's now 6 o'clock in the evening. Any other guys care?
And there's Hannes.
I mean, I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna go straight up.
Hulle kom nog.
Look at the sunset. We're sitting on the top of the Bavians. It's just amazing. we got in here last night so late. To say I'm tired is an understatement. I don't normally get tired. And I'm tired. I'm broken tired. How these guys made it up that track yesterday. Well, you know how we pulled a lot of them up. These guys are going to have stories for a long time to come. What issues have you seen with the guys this morning?
Engine mountings.
Oh, broken engine mountings as well?
Gearbox mountings.
Ooh, okay, so the damage was big.
What is that? Gear linkages.
Oh, the gear linkages, yeah.
This guy, there's the other guy also.
He lifts uit alles af.
Yeah. So this is the chaos after yesterday's day. Everybody's got some form of damage or something. Oh, I've got to puke before it goes in my mouth.
Dis soos hy eerste medisyne wat die nuisie in die oggend gee. Vat op.
Okay.
Dankie.
So very good laat jou tattoos ook feit.
Probably just wipe them off. It's called a Rurinki. Apparently it's the first time you have to have it. And it was disgusting.
Dis lekker man. I'll take a second.
Oh no, that was terrible. Day 3 is now officially for the sweepers underway. First day out of 2
In Noordpoort.
that we've actually arrived before the sun went down. So we can actually have a nice chilled evening as opposed to one that finishes after 12.
And a beer.
And a beer. Locust
Low-
infestation.
Spring canes everywhere. Yes.
After a pretty long day of driving, like I said, kind of uneventful. We made it to camp, thankfully, before it was dark. Time to crack a beer, walking off, cheersing to a successful day of no breakdowns and stuff. And yeah, just enjoying ourselves. At least we're in camp before the sun went down today, compared to last night's 12:30, 1 o'clock, whatever it was. But yeah, this is us having a chilled afternoon. Today is the last day of this tour, and a bit of a shorter one, kind of meeting at like a lunch spot or a car museum, hand away some parcels for charity. We're not going to ride at the back today. We're going to try and ride a little bit closer to the front, because we've been at the back and kind of didn't really see much of the rally, to be honest. So Hannes and I are quickly making our way to Pegasus Car Museum.
Pegasus Car Museum in state level. Yeah, we're just going to finish the route then today, and tonight we're going to camp and have dinner and everything. Then it's finished.
Here comes the convoy. Check these oaks. The rally is now going to continue. For how long we're driving today, I don't know. I haven't looked at the map or the directions. We're not sweeping today, so we're going to try and stick and mingle with everyone a bit. And we'll see how today goes. Things have changed a little, as you can see. Our aim was to get in the middle of the field and get some different footage other than just from the back. So we found a little piece of water, a little mud, and we got some cool shots. Check it this. That's how I got this. But I think it was pretty cool.